Los Angeles Trade Tech's culinary arts and professional baking programs are the perfect starting point for anyone aspiring to turn their passion for food into successful careers in the hospitality industry. Trade Tech is proud of being one of the oldest culinary schools in the nation and offers an extensive hands-on and theory-based culinary arts education that prepares students to enter the highly competitive industry not only in Los Angeles, the entertainment capital of the country, but worldwide. Our department hosts professional, industry-seasoned chefs as faculty, bringing their experience from around the world. Through rigorous classroom instruction and labs where students are trained in a working food service facility, they learn culinary terminology and cooking techniques, kitchen management, and fundamental hospitality principles. After graduating from the Trade Tech Culinary Arts program, students are qualified to work as cooks, line cooks, caterers, private chefs, chef assistants, and sous chefs. Our professional baking program prepares students for successful careers in baking and pastry arts. Students prepare baked goods daily for the college cafeteria, retail coffee shop, as well as catering for special events and holiday functions. Join us in taking the first step towards a successful career in the culinary arts. Enroll in the culinary arts program at Trade Tech today.